What's up friends, you're watching Develop Solution channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Apex Game Launcher not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 problem. First of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're first time on Develop Solution channel. So to fix Apex Game not working problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, simply first of all you just need to open Task Manager and follow every single step where I'm showing you in this video.